day I love you more. And every time I seem to open up the door, I think I could be someone you adore, or at least better than I used to be. And with that things will change, like the breeze on every foolish April day. I could leave, but some part of me will stay, and it'd be drive you mad eventually. And only I can love you like I do, and you dare to trade it all for a brighter shade of blue. Well, howdy there, pluckers. Arthur Sawfingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This is a song called Brighter Shade from a band called Lost Dog Street Band. Okay, so I did quite a few of their songs a couple of years ago, and this is off their new album. They've just released a new album, so I thought I'd catch up with them and do something from them again, and this is this one. Okay, so starting off, I'm in standard tuning, but I have a capo on the 2nd fret, but it's in the same key as the version recorded by Lost Dog. Okay, it's in the key of D basically, but obviously with the capo on, we're playing it in what looks like a C. Okay, well, it is a C, but when the capo's on the 2nd fret, that's actually a D chord. Okay, if you understand. Anyway, enough of that. Waffling, let's get on with it. So starting off with the C chord, and this is there's a lot of fiddle playing going on this track, so I'm just doing making the guitar part of it as busy as I can to sort of fill in for the fiddle. Okay, so and it all mostly revolves around doing hammers and the chords. Okay, so we're starting off with the C chord, and I'm playing the 5th string, strumming down. Then I'm opening up C chord, it's keeping on C chord, open up the 4th string, lift up the 2nd finger, hit the 4th string open, hammer into it with that 2nd finger, strum again, and that's it, repeat, repeat. So it's like, and if you speed that up you get it. Okay, got the idea? 2nd chord in the intro is a D minor, and it's the same idea. You play the 4th string open strum, and then open up the 3rd string with the 2nd finger again, hammer into the 2nd fret on the 3rd string this time. Okay, got the idea? Then we go to an F chord, straightforward F chord will do, simple F chord. Again, the 4th string strum, open up the 3rd, hammer into the 2nd on the 3rd again, same as you did with the D minor. And then we go back to the C. So every time you get those chords, you do that sort of hammerings. Okay, so let's just go for that first bit again. Right, so when you come back to the C, you come into the F, C. You do that run down, 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open A string to an A minor. And the picking on this is 5th string strum, 4th string open, hammer into 2nd fret with that 2nd finger. Okay, got that for the A minor. So with that comes out that C. Then we go to the F, and you already know what to do on the F. C, D minor, F. Stay there quite a while, 2 dots. C. Right, so that's the intro. So we'll just do that again slowly. So it's C, D minor, F, C, run down, A minor, F, C, D minor, F, C. We'll start first. Each day I love you more. Every time I seem to D minor, open up the door. I think I could F with someone you adore, or at least better than I C used to be. Repeat, that's the first verse. Second verse. And other things will change, like a breeze in D minor, foolish April day. I could leave F, the part of me would stay. Now it'll drive you mad, eventually C. Tongue tried. Right, let me do, so that's the two verses, okay? So we'll try and do that again without too many mishaps, okay? So each, so coming into the F. Each day I love you more. Any time I thought to open up the door, I think I could be somebody you adore, or at least better than I used to be. Next verse. And with that things will change, like the breeze on every foolish April day. I could leave, but some part of me would stay, and it would drive you mad eventually. Then we do this rundown from the C to the A minor again, like you did in the intro, right? Third on the fifth, second on the fifth, open A string, A minor. A minor picking pattern. Right, so it's and only I can F love you like I C do. D minor, and you dare to trade it all for F, the brighter shade of C blue. And that's the chorus, okay? So A minor, only I F love you like I C do. And you D minor dare to trade it all for F, brighter shade of C blue. And then off into some more verses and choruses. Okay, it's as simple as that. So we'll just go through the whole thing. My demo again, but slowly, but slower as on the record, hopefully. Okay, so introduction, C. D minor. F, C, run down, A minor, F, C, D minor, F, C. Right, verse coming up. And with that I love you more. And every time a D minor open up the door, I think I could be F, someone you adore, or at least better than I used to see, believe. Second verse. And with that things will change, like the breeze on every D minor shape of the day. I could leave us F if part of me would stay, and it would drive you mad eventually. Run down, A minor. I could F love you like C do. D minor dare to trade it all for F brighter shade of C blue. And there you go, boys and girls. It just repeats more the same with different words on the verses. Okay, thanks very much for watching and listening. Hope that helped you play that song, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.